chick Friday night.
And let's just talk about skill, right? What are the skills that you need to identify and master in your chosen field?
You're a power stroke, piece of backhoe ride.
My calling in life is to make a difference in people's lives and to change lives. So I came up with this concept here. It's called CRASH. Easy to remember. It's an acronym. It stands for commitment, relationships, attitude, skill, and hunger. Commitment, relationships, attitude, skill, hunger. But these are concepts that you can use to attract success to your life. You can do this using this concept.
Then the six-string circus comes to town. We hang them speakers over the crowd. When the lights come on, everybody's screaming, lights in the sky, and everybody's singing every word to every song of the girl they're taking home tonight. When the lights come on.
So who wants to come up and feel the power of the person that has the deepest commitment in the band, that has the hardest position in the band?
So now what you're going to do is, I have a microphone to count off the song. Now the microphone can just pick up my voice. I can just go 1, 2, 3. But no! My commitment is so deep, I shout into the microphone, 1, 2! I've blown microphones because that energy transfer goes to my band members, right? Okay, so what I want you to do is I want you to click the sticks together and count at the top of your lungs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Try it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Not bad, not bad. Okay, now we go to our B4. 1, 2, 3. Whack them all in the snare drum and then bang. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I saw your commitment, okay? It starts with the drummer, right? It's all about energy, right? Because enthusiasm is contagious. It starts with us. At the firehouse, who wants to be at the firehouse? Who wants to be at that company with a bunch of time to make donuts? Come on, guys. You've got to have energy. And it starts with the drummer. You get to keep those. How about that? Good job, my friend. Let me check out yours. So you know they say it takes 10,000 hours of applied effort to become an expert at something, right? So, was Bill Gates an expert? You better believe it. Was Liberace an expert? You better believe it. But it was so easy for them to work hard at their craft because they were so passionate about it. When you're passionate about something, it makes it way easier to work hard at it. And then the harder you work, the better you get and the more opportunities fall into your lap. I mean, I've had sushi in frickin' Tokyo, man. I've had fresh salmon in Newfoundland. I've also had a Guinness in Ireland. I've ridden a camel in Cairo. Just incredible experiences that I would have never been able to experience had I not committed myself to this cause. If you mail anything in, that's the one time someone who's decision maker is going to witness that. So I never mail it in. I play the same way, whether I'm playing for 5 people or 50,000 people. I bleed passion. If you bleed passion in your life, you can do anything you want to do, and you'll be better. Because passion is the engine, and hard work is the fuel. So if you fuel that engine with hard work, you can do anything.
Separates you from the rest of the world.
It was all human relationships. And he's like, let's start working together. So we did showcases together. We played stinky nightclubs, 5 sets. And then he got signed to a record deal. And he's like, well, let's just use these guys. They're my friends, and I've known them for 4 years. There's no audition. It was just relationships. So the power of relationships, ladies and gentlemen. You get one life, right? So make it count. Push yourself. Be learning new skill sets. It'll keep you fresh. This is not rocket science. Look at this. So easy to remember. You have to have a commitment to your craft and to your teammates and to yourself. You have to honor relationships. Cultivate lifelong, mutually beneficial, sincere relationships. Have a super positive attitude. Like if somebody says, hey Rich, give me your number. I say, yeah, I write it on a cocktail napkin. Rich Redmond, the happy drummer. And there's my number, right? Skill. You have to identify the skills you need to master to be successful in your chosen field and continually learning new ones.
and stay hungry for success. Stay hungry for success. Any questions? Because I'm going to play a couple more songs for you guys.